President's Motorcade. Sorry, I just flipped it on you. I had it the wrong way. There it is. There he is. Got a wave. Sorry, Sam.
I spent more time worried about trying to take a picture, and I don't know if I even got to see it.
You could be on that one too.
See, that one you can at least see. The other bus you couldn't even see through.
There's a likelihood he could be on that one.
But I mean, the other bus you couldn't see through.
Holy crap.
And so this will follow him all the way to wherever he's going?
That's like when Bush came through Basketball. It was
They have
so
this big a
long.
group?
The whole.
Oh, there's the press bus. Well,
Media. Yep. What is this?
I suppose they have to have ambulances.
Yep. Staff 4.
That's kind of cool.
It is neat. That's a
It's a
trooper.
bit neater to see them, but this is kind of cool.